Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Good luck and safe travel, Nathaniel Chu, off to Colombia for Mr. Earth International Pageant 2024. Excitement and anticipation filled the air as Nathaniel Chu, our country's representative for the Mr. Earth International Pageant 2024, embarked on his journey to Santa Marta, Colombia. Captured in a series of heartfelt departure photos, Nathaniel radiated confidence and pride as he prepared to represent our nations on the global stage. The departure photos taken before Nathaniel's check-in for his flight encapsulate the beginning of an incredible adventure. Dressed impeccably, Nathaniel's demeanor exuded a blend of elegance and approachable charm. Surrounded by family, friends, and supporters, the images reflect the overwhelming support and encouragement he received from those who believe in his potential to excel in the prestigious competition. Nathaniel's journey to Mr. Earth International is a testament to his dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to his goals. As a passionate advocate for the international or environmental sustainability and a role model for young people, his participation in the pageant goes beyond personal achievement. It served as a platform to raise awareness about crucial environmental issues and inspire others to take action. In his send-off, Nathaniel shared words and gratitude, expressing his deep appreciation for the support he has received throughout his preparation. I am deeply humbled and honored to represent our country in the Mr. Earth International. This journey is not just about me, it's about bringing our collective voice to the world stage and advocating for the protection of our planet, he said. And he boarded the plane. The departure photos captured Nathaniel's final moments on home soil, a mix of anticipation and determination visible in his eyes. With his luggage in a tow and a heart full of dreams, he embarked on a long flight to Colombia, ready to face the challenges and opportunities that await him. Nathaniel Chu's participation in the Mr. Earth International Pageant 2024 is a significant milestone, not only for him, but for everyone who supports and believes in the cause of environmental sustainability. As he sets off to make his mark on the international stage, the entire nation stands behind him, wishing him good luck and safe travel on this remarkable journey.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!